Welcome to Chilling with H. If you're new here, I'm Heidi and I'm vegetarian. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make crumbled veggie tofu. Some might say it looks like scrambled eggs. You be the judge. If you want to see how to make this quick meal, let's get straight to cooking. All the ingredients are listed in the description box below. Rinse the tofu and pat dry. Crumble the tofu in a bowl. Heat a pot and add the oil. Now, add in the onions, garlic, and pimento pepper and saute until lightly brown. Keep a low to medium flame. Add the turmeric powder and stir. Now, throw in the veggies and stir to prevent sticking. Cover and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Add the crumbled tofu and give everything a good mix. You might want to mash any huge lumps so that it is well cooked. Sprinkle the salt and seasoning and stir well to incorporate everything. Cover and cook for about 5 more minutes. Please note, if you monitor the heat, you will not have any problems with sticking or burning. Tofu is a good source of protein for vegetarians and can be eaten in wraps or salad if you're watching your carb intake. You can add any variation of veggies to make it more nutritious and kick it up a notch with more spices if you like. And if you enjoyed the recipe, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to share so others benefit and suggest to your friends they subscribe. I'm sure they will learn something too. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.